Welcome everyone. My name is Bart and this is a PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPhone 6s water damage, just a motherboard for data recovery. So let's begin. So I checked the battery VCC and there was partly short. So I checked visually first the board and I found a corroded LCD connector, which the mostly one pin from the backlight was moving, so I decided to resolder it. When I measured second time, the readings come back, so mm, so far so good. I had a few corrosions pins on that LCD connector, but they were well soldered, so I didn't have to resolder them. It was motherboard just for data recovery. And this motherboard was in other shop and someone was trying to fix it, and now I'm checking using a thermal camera whether I can find a hotspot or not, and fortunately I could find a place where it was short. Actually it was inductor, so inductor can be shorted, so I went through that line on both sides, and one side was 1.8 SD-RAM and another side was GPS IC, and visually that chip was cracked, so I decided to remove it and then check this line, because very likely this chip causing a fault. Yes, so job is done. Um, there was a problem with GPS IC was cracked, and that was causing a short on 1.8 SDRAM line. So I removed that cracked component, and the phone is ready for the data recovery. And also I had to resolder a corroded pin on the LCD connector. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.